Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we're going to cover a very important topic, and that is what to do if your YouTube channel is not showing up in the search bar or in the search results when you type your own channel's name and you don't see it in the search results. There could be a few very basic but very important things that you need to do in order for your channel to be visible in the search results. So I'm going to show you exactly that in this video. So please make sure that you watch the video till the very end because this video can be very helpful for you. When I started my YouTube journey, my YouTube channel wasn't showing up in the search results. And after following these steps, now it starts showing up in the search results. And I can actually go ahead and show you that as well. So if I go ahead and search for my channel name and type it, you can see that it's there. And if I just press enter, it's actually showing up right there. So you guys can see that my channel has started showing up in the search results, and the first result that I see is my channel's name, and I see my videos appearing there under that as well. So in order for you to bring your channel name in the search results, you need to do first of all is to click on your channel icon, which is on the top right corner. Click on your channel. After you clicked on your channel, then you need to click on customize channel, that you guys can see here, customize channel. After you've clicked on customize channel, let's just okay, and then you need to click on settings, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on settings, you need to click on channel. And after you click on channels, you guys can see that these are some channel keywords that are extremely important. So if you don't use these keywords, your channel is never going to appear in the search results. Very difficult to get your channel appear in the search results without these. So you guys can see that I've added some keywords related to my channel name. So my channel's name is Safeer's Good Life. So you guys can see that I've added it in different ways. So if I tell one of my friends to go on YouTube and search for Safeer's Good Life, they could write it this way, they could write it this way, they could write good life, Safeer, my own name, my name, and then space good, space life, So I've added it in different forms, different formats. Once you've done that, you need to click save. After that, there is another thing you can do to make sure that your channel is visible in the search results. So after you go on my channel, you need to click basic info. And after clicking on basic info, you need to make sure that your description is added here. Whatever your channel is about, you need to make sure that you add a valid description and spend time on this, like think about it, and then add description here on what you're going to do on your channel. After you've added the description, you need to make sure that you add any available links. So if you have a Facebook page, add a link here. If you have Twitter account, add a link here. If you have Instagram, add a link here. This is actually eventually going to help you bring audience from these platforms as well. Once you've done all of these things, then you need to click save and then publish here. After you click publish, just wait for a day or two and your channel is going to start appearing in the search results. If this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.